Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to fix failed to start recording. Starting the output failed, please check the log for details. This type of error will come when start OBS Studio Recorder. This type of error will come when you start recording. You will see here. Now I will show you how to fix it easily. If my video is useful to you, please like, comments and don't forget to subscribe. So let's go. First we close the error and you see here when we click start recording it will come again and again. We will go to settings from file, or here we click settings and we will go output. Then you go to the video encoder. You here see we just select software, this one, and apply. Okay, now problem is solved. So when we click start recording it is working. Here you see the software is working, there is no error. Here you see recording again. Here you see. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay healthy.